on saying get undressed and stay up late, cause we can't can laughter. And after the smoke off clears and disaster appears that you bring too hard, nobody gave a shit about it. So sad that you get pissed about it. Roll around on your futon like who's on you now. That's right, no one. Cause you're riding out, you're dying out, you're trying out. Make the team to make the dreams you had come true, but you forgot it when the rain came through. So what's your brain gonna do? Think about it while the rain holds true. Oh my god, like what's your brain gonna do? It's been raining. I'm so tired of the same thing. I'm like damn, existential man, damn, on my mental man, damn, waiting on the sun. I'm waiting on the sun, and I'm not afraid to admit that I'm working on myself. No, 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 cause I got an ego trying to keep us on the ground. No, exactly. When your good friend chills with a girl you don't like, it's alright. When your girlfriend said that you don't act right, you just might have been right, might have been wrong, but you can't know now, slow down. You really want to listen, give a damn, didn't burn out, or ran in, didn't work out. A limited roundabout excuse that you might have messed up, but it's just not you. You ain't never done wrong, so it's just not true. And you the best by far, so what's left to do? You walk around with a chip on your shoulder, but you've been giving them too. Hey.